Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted on Facebook that their pick tool, their pointer, is crosshairs. And I played around with it and I can't stand it. But if you wanted it, just go to Tools, Options, Tools, and right here under Pick Tool. So if you're on the eraser or the pick tool, crosshair cursor. I can't stand it. It turns into the pick tool when you go off the screen, but maybe there's a reason for it. I just don't see it. So I hope that helped them. And then if you get there, all you have to do is go back to Tools, Options, Tools. And when you click on the pick tool, just take away the crosshair. This is where you're going to treat all objects as filled, but the normal Windows or the menu bar has that now. And you can change your shift tool, and like control is constraint, you can make it the Windows standard, which control is duplicate, leave original. I've never played around with that because once you get used to something and you get used to this other pick tool, I can't see you ever. And then all you have to do is hit OK. And then, of course, I would save settings as default if that's what you wanted. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.